Want to master Jasper reports from beginner to advanced? You're in the right place. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the full Jasper reports tutorial series. In the previous video, we created SubReports in JasperSoft Studio. Today, let's add some style to that report. First, we want to preview that report. So, this is the result of the previous video. We designed this report in the previous video and we connected with MySQL database. The base or main report is the department. Then we have subreport, which is employee. We have employee name, phone number, email address, and salary. And here we have different departments like administration, finance, and it is related employees. Then we have HR, IT, then we have marketing. So today we want to design or we want to add some style to that report. Let's switch to the design mode. First, what we want to do, we want to select this field which is department name. Then we have text field and here we have a simple expression. Click on that. So we have simple expression here. To that we want to concatenate some simple string value. For example, employees of then we want to add another string value here. Okay, for example, department, then click finish. So that is good. Thereafter, let's adjust this one, which is detail section. And here we want to place the subreport. Let's fix that. Thereafter, we want to add some properties like font size. Let's make that bold. Then we want to make that center as well. That is good. After that, we have borders. We want to add, for example, this one. And here, let's add, for example, background color. We want to add this color. Let's uncheck that to add background color. That is good. Let's save the changes. Then we want to preview the report. So as you can see, we have this string value employees of administration department. This data comes from the database. Then we have finance department. And here we have HR department. That is good. We designed the main report. Thereafter, let's design the subreport as well. Simple. What we want to do first, let's add, for example, rectangle. Drag and drop here. Let's adjust this. We want to make that correct. And here also, let's select this one. Simple, we want to place here. And here we want to place this one. Okay, to that we want to add the header. Simple. We want to add all of these. Just place here. Okay, that is good. Let's make that correct. Okay, let's preview that. As you can see, now we have employees of administration department. Then we have subreport header here. And here we have also header. That is good. Let's add some background color to that. Select this one. Then we have background color. You can add any color. There is no problem. Okay. After that, let's make that correct. Okay, we want to add some weight to that. First, let's select all of these. Let's make that correct. Okay, and here also. Okay, let's save the changes. Then you want to preview the report. As you can see now, we have this main report here. Then we have SubReport header like name, phone number, email address, and salary. Then we have second department, which is finance. Then we have header, and here we have the details information of each employee. Okay, that is good. Thereafter, what we want to do, we want to make that correct. Okay, let's preview that. Okay, we want to move to the left side. Let's move that to the left side. Okay, so thereafter, as you can see, we have this department label. We want to remove that. There is no need for that. We want to remove the header also, and here you can place the title as well. There is no problem. Just drag and drop a static text. Okay, here we want to enter, for example, employees. For example, let's add department voice employees report. Okay, you can make that bigger as well. There is no problem. Let's make that center. Thereafter, we want to add, for example, font size. Okay, let's preview that. As you can see here, we have title, then we have main report, then we have header of SubReport. Okay, and here we have the detailed information of each department employees. We have second department, then we have second department employees. That is good. So today we completed how we can design sub-reports in JasperSoft Studio. So to know better how we can create sub-reports in JasperSoft Studio, you can watch my previous video, and the link is provided on the video description. There is no problem. So if you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.